Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. David A. Qua here, back at Bedrock City Comics for the release of Action Comics number 1000. Alright. 2, 3.
Neo before Zon.
Oh, you did good.
I'm sure I've been crazy. Oh, yeah.
$400. If you guys pick one up tonight, we're honoring the subscriber discount, so you get 10% off. Bring it back on May the 5th to get it signed by Jeremy Vaughn himself.
Yeah, would have thought. Oh, I was just in the middle of jamming out to my old school rap music. Yeah, I'll see you in a little bit.
Oh, what? Orlando.
Yeah, he was in.
So it's also one win per person.
That wake up early for
and-
one over me. Well, you have time.
It is. Hold on, we got a couple more raffle tickets coming in. So this actually collects Action Comics 1 through 19, Superman 1 through 3, and then the World's Fair Star comic, which is not something you see outside of, like, already you don't see Action 1s and Superman 1s a lot of the times in shops. The World's Fair's comic, they did one for Batman and they did one for Superman. Both of those are kind of really cool kind of extensions into their origin stories and into Krypton on the Superman book.
Yeah.
All right, blue ticket. Blue ticket, 920. 920 on a blue ticket. There we go, we got a winner.
Oh!
And I'm literally calling to say thank you for having so much fun.
Woo!
Thank you for having a party tonight. I'm sorry I couldn't be there, but I saw some pictures and I was actually like moved, and I just want to call and say thank you and have a good time, and I love you.
Break
Well,
up
we-
Lois!
I'll talk to you guys another time. Thanks.
Thank you.
Go Astros.
Come over here location. With the Freedom Friends? Yeah.
Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Name's David A. Qua and welcome to my YouTube channel. For a first time in a long time, we're going to do a comic book haul. I just recently went to the midnight release party of Action Comics number 1000. I got the 2000s variant from Lee Bermejo, I believe that's how you pronounce it. 80 years of Superman, man. 80 years of Superman. Plus we got all this free swag here. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. They have a lot of variant covers. They were all there, but I like this cover the most. Okay. Let me get my phone out here. Here are some of the other covers that you can get. This is like the main 80-page giant. And then we got this one, the 1930s variant, 1940s. So each of the issue covers reminds you of a particular era of Superman. Okay, this is the 1960s, the 70s, the 1980s comic, 90s, and here are the 2000s. Okay, I thought this issue cover, this variant cover, looked cool, so I decided to get this one, right? But they were all there. It's like a fun read, man. Here's what else we got. This is a cool prize right here, man. I saw it for free and I grabbed like 3 of them. Avengers Infinity War. Free, man. Great little poster. It's got all the characters on it. Except for Hawkeye, apparently. I don't see him. Where is he? He's getting no respect, man. He has no respect. So, I also got this gigantic poster for Rampage, starring The Rock. Oh, man. I haven't seen it, but a lot of people keep saying things like, it's the best video game movie ever, it's the worst video game movie ever. I have no idea what to think, man. Everyone's saying everything. Eastern Rim, the Funny Book and Vintage Con, coming this weekend. I'm not going to that, then. Free admission, free parking. Okay. Spectacular Northwest Houston Toy. Wait, didn't this just recently happen? $5 each for first hour, kids getting free. Also this weekend. I'm probably not going to that one either. They actually had Shipley's Donuts there. So for the first time I actually tried Shipley's Donuts at this event. They had free donuts there. Plus like chips and stuff like that too. But I kept a napkin. Cloak and Dagger. Okay. New series. Coming June 7th, okay, on Freeform. And of course we got Legion. I got a couple posters here. A lot of Marvel related stuff. And here, these are just some free stuff. It's been around for months, I believe. Defenders. This is like a preview issue or something like that. Infinity Countdown #1, huh? It's just a single page giving guys like information about the Infinity Stones and stuff like that. Pretty cool. All the comics you gotta read before we go see the movie. Marvel Universe. It's a preview issue. Okay. Thor, Venom #1 coming soon. Or it's already out. When does this issue come out? Anyway, this is the real prize right here. Pretty awesome. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. Rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Talk guys later. Bye-bye. I gotta go to work, so bye-bye.